Hello, all the queens and the kings in the building. So welcome to today's hair tutorial video, and the things that you need: bring your gel, bring your thread and a needle, cause we need to stitch something, an afro baby. Bring a small tiny hairband, a brush to slick your hair, a comb, some beads, some pieces of braids, and afro baby. I am using an afro baby. You can use any hair extension, but for now I am using an afro baby, and as you can see, here it is. And that is all that you need. Let's get into hair transformation. So follow everything that I'm doing step by step, okay? And remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel. It is free. Like the video and comment. But for now, continue watching this video. If you don't know how to braid, then you can twist it. If you don't know how to twist, then go get your neighbor. Tell them to braid you, okay? So this next step is very crucial. So take your afro baby, align it very well. Make sure it's well aligned. Take your thread and a needle and start stitching until you form that big bun, until it's of more volume, because the more volume our bun is, the more beautiful and sexy it will be.